So I want to upgrade my Joy-Cons to be a little bit less tiny and just more enjoyable to use. The only problem is it might get me in trouble with a billion-dollar company, and that's the last thing I need because I'm already in trouble with my wife because of all my 3D printer purchases. After spending some time sketching, I still didn't know how to turn this little baby Joy-Con into a full-size gaming beast. I knew I needed a chassis that the Joy-Con could pop into, and I could have spent hours coming up with my own shape, but I decided not to reinvent the wheel. With the outline done, I realized I needed a spot for the Joy-Con, and to figure out how big it needed to be, I used one of my favorite tools for design. So it fits, but the controller is too big and I need these bumpers to actually work. Let's keep designing. And after a lot of trial and error, along with some encouraging words, I got it working. With that hurdle out of the way, I ran into another big issue. The chassis was flat and felt horrible. I'd be better off using a 2x4. So it was time to change that. This would have been an absolute nightmare to do in the past, and I just saved so much time, which is great because I need to print this out. This is why I love 3D printing. I now have a beast of a Joy-Con that will be much more fun to play with. The bumper buttons actually work, it feels great in my hands, and there's a little hole in the back to pop the Joy-Con out when you're done. And like usual, if you'd like to make your own Pro-Con, you can download this for free on MakerWorld, and if you'd like to pick up this other version or a commercial license to sell your prints, check out my Patreon down below. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your support.